Hey guys, and welcome back to How Logical. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to access your data or simply request your data in Dropbox. Now let us begin. Do note that I have already logged into my account. In case you don't know how to log in, we have created a video regarding that as well. Now let's simply look at how to request your data. At the top right, you can see your profile picture right next to the bell icon. It's simply the account settings. Simply click on it. From here, what you guys need to do is simply scroll over right to settings. Do note that there are other options as well, but right now we're only going to focus on the settings option. Once you click on it, well, as you can see, lots and lots of options and lots of tabs. What you guys need to do is simply scroll right over to privacy. The button's right next to sharing. Simply click on it, and from here, as you can see, there are multiple options like cookies, access your data, and delete your data. Well, it's up to you to select whichever one you wish, but right now what we want to do is simply access our data, and right next to it, here's a button like this that says Generate Report. Click on it right now, and something like this will open up. That's saying, are you sure you would like to generate a data subject access request report? Yes, I would like to do it, so I'm simply gonna hit on submit. And guys, as you can see, the request has been successfully submitted, and Dropbox will email us when it is ready. For your information, it might take up to 30 days. Once you receive the email, simply download your contents. And guys, that is it. That's how you access your data in Dropbox. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Your support fuels us. Until next time, thank you.